For Timeline this week, we have a lot of finger spelling in our motions. Our first card says North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which is NATO. So we're going to sign N-A-T-O. The next one is the Korean War, and we're going to make a K for Korea, Korean War. Martin Luther King Jr. and the Civil Rights Movement. We've done this sign before. Jim and Elizabeth Elliot. This is an E. For missionaries, you make an M with your hand and rub it over your heart. Missionaries to Ecuador. This is another E, shaking it for the country Ecuador. The Antarctic Treaty. It's really cold. Vietnam War. U.S. astronauts walk on the moon. So you make an R with your hand, and this is like a rocket taking off, and then you do the sign for person. Like rocket person or rocketer is a sign for astronaut. Walk on the moon. For math this week, we're learning the commutative law of addition and multiplication. And our song goes like this. The commutative law for addition. A plus B equals B plus A. The associative law for multiplication. A times B equals B times A. For Latin this week, we're doing fourth declension noun endings again. Us, ui, oo. Us, ui, oo. Us, ui, oo. Singular fourth declension. Us, ibis, ibis. Us, ibis, ibis. Us, ibis, ibis. Plural fourth declension. For science, we are asked, what are some kinds of weather fronts? Well, there's cold, and there's warm, stationary, and occluded, when the cold air pushes the warm air so that it goes up, 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 and sometimes makes snow. These are some kinds of weather fronts. Our tune for this is It's Raining, It's Pouring. What are some kinds of weather fronts? There's cold and there's warm, stationary and occluded. These are kinds of weather fronts. For English, we are continuing our linking verbs song. The tune is The Ants Go Marching. A linking verb makes an assertion by joining two words. Am, are, is, was, were, be, being, then. Feel, become, remain, taste. For history, we are asked, tell me about the British North America Act of 1867. In 1867, the British North America Act, this is me drinking a cup of tea, British North America Act, established the Dominion of Canada. This is to look like a maple leaf. The Canadians gained total independence from Britain in 1982. French, this is a sign for France or French. French is spoken in the province of Quebec. For geography this week, we're looking at the western side of South America, and our tune is the Hokey Pokey. In South America, on the western side, start with Venezuela and makes a V, then you glide. You travel west, Colombia is drippy like a slide. Hooked up to Panama. Ecuador's a ball that's squished a bit small. Peru makes a C, touching long Chile. Bolivia, it touches too, it's landlocked, oh what can you do? That's what it's all about.